Awesome.
There you go.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Animal Kingdom.
Armful of stuff. That's just about normal, right?
Liquids, sneakers, you know, something to change into.
Yeah. Resort refillable mugs. Forgot how good they were until you have one, then you remember exactly how good they were. 11 o'clock, we're rolling out. So yeah, this is All-Star Movies. We're in Dalmatian 4, which is kind of good. It's one of the preferred ones. So we're at the end. And right on the other side of where we're staying is the lobby and the pool, which makes it super convenient too. So yeah, another beautiful day in Florida. You hesitate to say it, so I won't say it about the weather, but it's been so good. It's our last day at All-Star Movies, checking into Saratoga. That was literally
2 seconds.
Yeah, like a minute, 2 minutes.
Look, you can see Pandora. Just right up over there.
Hallelujah Mountains.
So excited for today. I love Animal Kingdom.
So, Animal Kingdom. Dinosaur 38.
Dinosaur 38.
Dino 38. Hopefully we don't forget that. So when you are coming up on security, make sure you get your cameras off. Not recording that kind of thing. It'll make your life a lot easier. Animal Kingdom is so beautiful. So there's a dragon over on that one.
Yeah. That's because Pandora Land used to, like, they were going to make it like a mystical beast section.
Yeah.
That's probably why there's a uniform parking lot.
Yeah, that must have been part of the original concept art or whatever, right? Thank you. Thank you.
One of these maps.
Animal Kingdom 50?
Yeah.
Yeah, that tree's gonna be so awesome tonight when it lights up. Some pink chickens. So cool, they know like right where to go.
Yeah.
They're like, all right, take off. See you later. And so they did. Dino Land. Yeah, start the day with Dinosaur. I feel like this part of the park is like always the hottest. Remember waiting here over the years?
Yes.
Trying to hide like, you know, over here. Or like over here. Or like I'm back in there. And definitely like I'm back over here.
And waiting over here in the rain.
Over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, like there's a little spot over here, like a little covering thing.
This is going to be a walk-on.
This is gonna be a walk-on.
Okay, pop quiz. Let's get it. You have to have on a scale to have 50 tons.
Seated with your hands first.
Here we go.
Identify.
Carnivores.
Definitely not our dino.
We made it.
Mission accomplished.
Wanna go in? Let's do it. That's cool too, eh?
I like that print.
Yeah. Oh, it is super nice.
Look at wheels. That's cute. Madeline loves Candyland. There's a Disney version of it here. Oh. Small world. About children and animals in the 3D game. $35. I like them though. They're new.
Pretty cool and they're new.
Yeah, they are cool, yeah.
If they sit on your shoulder, they kind of
Oh, they sit on your shoulder.
Ah, that's what it is.
That's cool. I would like to have the Pascal one.
Pascal one, yeah.
Yeah, walk around Pascal.
Yeah, it'd be tricky with a backpack, but still pretty cool, right?
$4.99 now, up from $69. I really like that.
Yeah, we'll need some of this stuff for Christmas, right?
Exactly.
Kill, mother, kill! Okay, we just did Triceratops spin.
That was amazing.
And it was great. As far as the spinny ones go. Yeah, it's tough to be a bug, so it's something we've never done before. And I'm pretty sure there's like some good tree of life photo spots back there. So we'll head over. The park's not too busy today. 40 minutes over for Flight of Passage, 40 minutes for Navi River Journey, Flame Tree Barbecue. Yeah, lots of good options there. What do you think?
It was awesome. I loved it.
That's what we're gonna do, Flame Tree?
Yeah, because we already did Yak and Yeti once.
Yeah, we did, all right. Had a mobile ordering.
This is the story of my life, this trip. The app is overloaded.
It is. When there's so many people, it's hard for it to handle it, obviously, right?
Yeah. They really encourage you to use it, and then
When it works, it's great. I mean,
Yeah.
that mobile checkout the other day in Creations at Epcot,
that was wonderful. I didn't have to wait in an hour lineup to get my product.
yeah, that was fun, right?
Yeah. So I put the mobile order in. I had some difficulty, but once I turned off the Wi-Fi, I could get the times, and 1:20 was the earliest one, and that was at 1 o'clock, so it was like a 20-minute time lead out.
Cool.
Now, I will be able to check in earlier than that and say I'm here now, that kind of thing. But
That was a good show.
yeah, that was really great.
All right, what do we got?
You've got the meatloaf
Yeah.
with the garlic bread and fries and the coleslaw and the beans.
Yeah.
And I've got the pulled pork mac and cheese. Looks like I've got some pulled pork, baked macaroni and cheese, coleslaw, and a couple onion rings on top, covered in barbecue sauce. We've got these are actually alcoholic drinks. So it's mango and blue raspberry.
And
It's the Island Breeze.
Ellen Breeze.
Disney. Bring back the pulled pork fries.
Missing those, right?
There's some juice in that, bro. And you got the couple glasses of water.
It's nice tasting. Strong, very strong.
Very strong. You want to try this?
Sure, of course. So it's macaroni and cheese,
Pork.
pulled pork, coleslaw, and eat both onion rings in one bite, right?
What do you think?
It's interesting. So it kind of works together, but
Yeah,
it's also a bit mushy, you know?
yeah I want a fry in there. I want a fry.
It's just missing that, right?
Yeah. That's what I want.
You gonna try a piece of the meatloaf?
That's really good.
Yeah, like that's not a bad choice, right?
I think that's a solid choice. I'm really surprised by that. It's really good. So let's get on to the safari.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, so it was a good meal. For me, meatloaf. Who knew? But safari somehow only still 10 minutes, so we're gonna switch up some lenses.
Alright, friends, everybody, this is quick stop here and wait for the officer.
Pandora, how'd you do on that safari?
not bad. Lines weren't out, but it was a very rough ride.
It was, right?
So it was, I don't know if I got a single photo in focus other than the flamingo one.
When we like stopped. It's 3 o'clock and Animal Kingdom seems a lot busier. So I think park hopping. Yeah. But either way, it seems a little bit busier here at Animal Kingdom. We still had a great safari. Some Pandoran juju juice.
Yeah.
Drink juice.
Pangu.
Pangu, pangu. So we're taking the super sneaky trail. Might end up at, what was the name of that? Nomad Lounge?
Nomad. I think it might be in the
Why?
because it's the best ride ever.
It's still the best ride ever, right?
Yeah.
Gonna try Nomad Lounge. Can't remember what I had last time, but it was really good. It was so good I had 2. All right, we're on the wait list. As expected, busy, but wait list. I can live with a wait list. You good? Do you want me to come in?
Yeah.
Well, we should have been checking other Spuckies.
Apparently,
We've been
the one in Hollywood Studios didn't have anything.
We've been slacking on the Spooks.
What? Can you turn one up?
Yeah. So yeah, 30 minutes. We got Spucks now, so we're good. We'll be in Nomad Lounge here in just a few minutes. Yeah, it's been a great day here. I think we came at just about the right time. You know, we could have came earlier and left. We came back, but this is pretty good because we still got a busy day. We got to check out of All-Star movies tomorrow morning, and we also want to do Rise of the Resistance, which we haven't done yet. So when we get back tonight, we got to do a little bit of laundry, which I didn't do yesterday. Pack up, get ready, and then we're going to do luggage transfer tomorrow because we move over to Saratoga Springs. That's right.
Hello there.
We are at Nomad Lounge.
We are. Nomad Lounge. It's good to be back.
Sorry for the angle, but we're at a 2-person table and we're on opposite sides of the table.
Yeah, but took 40 minutes to get in. For one, scan your QR code here.
Yeah, so you scan that so that you can see what's on the menu.
Yeah, you can see what we're looking at. And then on the back side of this, which I never would have even known to touch,
No?
is this little specialty menu.
Yeah.
And it looks like they had a couple there for the 50th. The Firefly and the Chili Dog.
But right now, I think we might try the beef sliders.
I got the Hightower Rocks. So Queso, Dragones, Blanco, Tequila, Watermelon, Sweet and Sour, and Lime Juice. The other got the Lamu Libation, which is a Star African rum, Cruzan banana rum, guava puree with orange, lime, and pineapple juices, topped with a Gosling's 151 rum.
Where are we going? Where are you going?
That's what I'm doing. Ready?
Yeah.
Cheers, friends.
Tastes like pineapple and rum. Yeah, we get beef sliders.
So it's a chipotle, aioli, and yuca fries.
So it's like a Mickey in there. I like that.
I'd say that's really good. How's that?
It's awesome.
That was good.
It was absolutely delicious. That's great.
It was good, right?
It was good.
So it was fun.
That was awesome.
Yeah, Nomad Lounge.
I love it.
So you can see some of the lights starting to come on. Pretty. Yeah, well, the weather's perfect at this
It
point,
is.
right? You know,
And the crowds are down.
still warm, but the lines are gone. Yeah, now we need to come back for sure. Do one more day here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, there's some over on this side too. Yeah, let's come back before it closes, okay?
All right. Tom, right there.
All right, really nice.
Yeah, he's really nice.
Tom, if you do watch this, thanks for taking a minute to talk to us.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Pretty beautiful. We got an hour to see the tree, right? It'll go every 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, we want to get some pictures. I don't think we'll get back to Everest again. Can't wait to see what this place looks like at night again.
And celebrating 50 years of the most magical place on earth.
Let's go check out Pandora.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for another day here at Walt Disney World. We had a great day at Animal Kingdom, but now, tomorrow, we are going to do Hollywood Studios, and we're going to go early. We're checking out of All-Star Movies and checking into Saratoga Springs. It's going to be awesome. Have a great night.